We have something called Marwa City Restaurant. Marwa, there is a restaurant named
Yes.
after your name. So, this is the other side of Nairobi. So today I can pass anywhere. When I'm alone, I can't come here. Reason being because of security. Yes, so hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is IreneZab, and if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, yeah? And today we are here in Nairobi. I'm so happy, as you can see. I'm here with my friend.
Burundi traveler right here, guys. Actually, all the way from Burundi up to Nairobi. Man, I really enjoy to be with the IreneZab. Man, you know, long time I just watch her videos. Maybe from the scratch, man. From 1 subscriber, like 300 subscribers.
Yeah.
Yes, I started to watch your videos when you was 300 subscribers. Actually, guys, she's a good content creator.
Thank you.
And please keep supporting, guys. Keep supporting. And me all the way from Burundi to Nairobi.
Yes, so, I'm here with Burundian traveler today, and I'm so blessed. Yeah, we are in the streets of Nairobi. Like, it is so sunny. Yeah, it's so sunny. I don't know if you can see.
Maybe you can see.
I don't know if they can see.
Yes.
Yes.
See how is everything, guys.
But we just want to take you for a walk.
Yeah.
Today's on a Sunday.
Yeah.
We just want to do like a random walk videos. It's because Burundian traveler said we just want to go for a walk in the city.
Yeah, I really need that.
Yeah, so that is what we are going to do. And please, if you are new to Burundian traveler, go subscribe. And also to my channel.
Yes.
Please subscribe. Yeah.
Do that, guys.
It is free.
Just free.
Yeah.
Just a little thing, guys. Just to go. It's not that button, like just subscribe only.
Subscribe.
That is enough.
Yeah, that's the better way of supporting us. So guys, we just want to go for a walk, and please watch to the end, and don't skip the hearts.
Yes. Yeah. Please remember that art, man. You know,
don't skip
something which we are supporting a lot.
Yes, we are really struggling. It's YouTube is not a joke, but
yes.
we are struggling. So thank you so much, guys, and enjoy the video.
Yes, let's go.
Hapa
hivi. Nipiga picha hapa hivi. Na mtu amenipigia labda ni
Yes, so guys, right here, this is Kenyatta Avenue and Struck Mwindi Mbingu Street.
Guys, you can see how the building is like. Actually, the place is so nice.
You know, I told you in Nairobi, you see, we have screens.
Yes.
Almost every corner.
Like everywhere you can watch
Wait, where unaona hii kitu ikiturn color ndio tunaenda. Wako. Yeah.
Everywhere you can see.
Yes. Come we go.
Let us try to see.
Yes, guys. See
So
that?
guys, maybe you can see how just a place look like it's beautiful. You know?
Place is so clean. It seems like it has been swept in the morning. You see?
That is true.
Very clean.
Man, you know, there's something else maybe I learned from Nairobi, you know? They're in Burundi right now. Actually, the roads is just clean and good, but you can't see motorbike like in a city like this. But you see here, I saw some motorbike right here.
They're everywhere, even there.
Actually, there are more. Even right there, you can see. People are moving. That's the business, you know?
Nairobi people don't sleep. People don't sleep here, my friend. Sasa kuna mtu amefika Mombasa. Yes. You know, life in Nairobi is so hard. Like you, if you have like a family, you need to work so hard. Right here, this is Panda Street.
Yes.
Yes. And we are still in Panda Street. Right here. Nice. The city, Nairobi city.
Yes. Nairobi.
That place is city market.
Yes. Guys, actually, this is that place. Maybe
I stay with my friend.
you will always, maybe here always, you know, Nairobi is famous, you know.
Very famous.
Nairobi is very famous because actually it's a beautiful country, developed. No, a beautiful city and developed city. So that's why it's famous everywhere. You can see most people are there.
Yes.
Different. And also I saw more Chinese right here.
There's so many.
And also this.
Even in the morning when we were doing when we went down there, there's so many there. So many of them.
Indian people, and also can see England people. Actually, most of people are there. Most people are there, different colors. Actually, they love Nairobi.
We have something called Marwa City restaurant. Marwa. There is a restaurant named
Yes.
after your name.
Guys, I think you saw Marwa City. Marwa City restaurant.
Marwa City restaurant. I don't know if you can see well. Marwa.
Maybe.
Marwa, there is a restaurant named after your name here.
Yes. Oh my God.
Yeah.
So guys, actually Nairobi is something good.
Like Nairobi is developing, and you see when like a country is developing,
Yes.
like the business is good,
Yeah.
like it makes the work easier. Like for example, when the roads are good, like if someone is transporting maybe food from the village to town,
Yes.
you see, like people here in Nairobi,
Yeah.
they buy goods from the village, like food.
Yes.
And then they come to sell here in town, because in Nairobi we don't have like chambers to plant those.
So that's why every work, maybe every work in country. If there is a city which is developed, every work will come to be easier. You see, it come to be easier.
Yeah, very true. Yeah. We are crossing to the other side, and let us just enjoy.
Yes.
We're just taking you guys for a random walk, and then you see like last time I did a video and I got lost.
Yeah.
I don't even know where I went.
Maybe we can pass through.
Yes, pass here.
So that people can.
Like you see Nairobi, like almost everyone has a car.
Yes. Yeah, it's like that, man. That's why most of people in the village.
Imagine it is on a Sunday, but can you see?
That's
You may think like people are at work.
That's why in the village, most of people can think like everyone who is in a city,
Has a car, has money.
yeah, is a big boss. But there is some places, guys. Maybe some people is just to rent a house so that people can get maybe how to live and maybe how to be just in a city, and maybe they can be called like, oh, we are in a city. So
Like,
that's
why.
why.
You see, like being in the city,
Yes.
and you don't have like a good sustainable job.
Yes.
Like life is so hard.
Yeah.
Life is so hard when like you are there, like you don't have a good job or you don't have like something to do.
Yes.
Life is so hard,
If
so
you don't-
hard.
Yeah. Actually, if you don't have any work.
So this is the other side of Nairobi.
Yes.
This is the other side of Nairobi.
Actually, guys, I was thinking like it's already like you lost it.
You know we are two, so today I can pass anywhere. When I'm alone, I can't come here. Reason being because of security.
Let us keep trying this, guys.
Yeah. So guys, support us.
Yes.
We are there, and you like you're watching us. Please support us. Yeah. That subscription will really help us,
Yes.
and we will appreciate.
Maybe.
To go this way.
Just try maybe continue follow us like for every new video.
Yes, on Instagram. Maybe are you on Instagram?
Yes, I'm there.
Tell them Instagram.
Just Burundian travel.
Burundian Traveler. Yes. You go, guys, and follow him.
So things like that, just like keep watching our videos. That is a big support. Yeah, that is a big support. And make us even to be somewhere, guys, and to reach some goals.
Yeah.
Like most of us, we are just dreaming
Big.
big. Yeah?
You're dreaming big and you're broke,
Yeah, right.
like me.
I just need to maybe to give.
But I remember sometimes back you told me I want to come to Kenya even if I don't have money.
Yes.
And then I told you everything is possible. Imagine when you told me you are in Kenya, I was like, okay, so this is what God can do. Like when God decides to bless you,
Yeah.
those blessings will just come. No one will keep them away from you.
Yeah, you know, everything is just to feel like God will make it.
Yeah, God will make a way.
And most of the time, everything will be good. The time maybe you start, you know, the big deal is just to start.
Yes.
Just to feel like you can start, you know. When you start, everything comes sometimes.
Yeah, you see, when you start like God, even God is like, oh, this person is so hardworking. Let me bless him or her. Yeah, when you are so hardworking,
Yeah.
God also will bless you.
Yo, man, can you give me a picture? Just a little picture.
Yes. So guys, we are still here with my brother right here, Burundian Traveler.
Yes,
Yes.
guys, and I was just trying to take picture right there, but now I finished, so we have to keep continue. Yes, and actually, we will just keep enjoying, guys. This big tour, this beautiful tour, you know. When we are together, we have to try just have to maybe make you see more places right here. See how beautiful Nairobi is. You see, so we are just here to show you that one, guys.
Yes.
And Irene, maybe she's just trying to keep showing different things. So just enjoyment, you know.
Yeah.
Just enjoyment. So
Yes.
just to get this full tour is actually full, you know.
It's a tour.
Oh,
Because
even
you
though
said you want to go, like you want to tour the city.
Yes.
Yes, so let us just tour and everything will be fine.
Yes, I'm just need to see around. Just see, maybe not everywhere because actually the city is big.
Nairobi is big. Hata ukitembea the whole day huwezi kumaliza. Yes. So guys, let us just end this video here.
Yes.
Very amazing tour.
Yes.
And subscribe.
Yes, guys.
Subscribe to our channels. Good job.
Yes.
Subscribe. I like it. Yes. Subscribe to our channels, like, comment, share, and we really appreciate it. So thank you
Yes,
so much,
guys.
and bye bye.